Hey guys, Mark, American Suspension. I've just talked to you briefly about our new reservoirs for the air ride, our RamAir reservoirs. So you can tee it into your existing RamAir shock setup, and you can adjust this knob for some compression variables, or you can use it as a reservoir, an extra air tank space. It'll fill up both the tanks, so for extra airspace. So if you do that, you just want to run this all the way out, so as far as the way out. That's a clockwise motion. As you can see over there, you can mount them that way, so that's called a high mount, or you can mount them this way, which is a low mount. I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. The low mount will come with a bracket like this. The high mount will come with a shorter one that sticks up tall. You're going to get a tall spacer that goes in the back, and you're going to get a short spacer that goes in the front. You're also going to get two 5/16 bolts. So we're going to put this. Do it like this, like that. Put that spacer on there. Now you've pulled out the original bolts from the factory that were in there, and then we're just gonna run them in. Now we have the bracket secured into place. You'd want to Loctite those, torque them to about 25 foot-pounds. And then you're going to take your reservoir. You're going to get some smaller socket cap, 1/4-20s. It just lines up real simply here, and you just attach it just like that. That's it. You're going to want to torque those to about 20 foot-pounds. So now you have two different ways to mount it. You have a low mount, or you have this high mount version, like that. So one way sticks up above the bike, parallel. One floats behind. These brackets typically will be black. You're going to get the hardware, the reservoir, and some airline. So that's it. So if you want to use it as a tank, you take this. You're gonna behind the cover here. You're gonna tee into this air supply line, and you're gonna run one line over to that side, one to this side, and tee it all together. That'll fill all these reservoirs up with air. If you want to do it with the shock for adjustability, you can tee it into the shock, each shock line. You can tee it right about in this area, and then the line will run up and it'll plug right into the back. All right. Thanks guys. Mark, American Suspension.